100%? I would say the risk is theirs. How much did Corporal O'Neill want?
$25,000.
For?
My boss is not to ask.
Maybe you didn't have to.
We met, I drank coffee, but did not do business. He told me nothing about why he needed the money.
How soon did he need it?
Immediately.
Cash?
Of course, all my clients prefer cash.
Even the ones in Beirut and Baghdad?
I'm sorry I can't be more helpful.
From all the questions you're asking, I can only assume that Corporal O'Neill is involved in some criminal activity.
You mean like you?
If you believe that, absolutely. We will be meeting in your office, not mine.
There's someone you can call?
Might have a friend with Tel Aviv.
Make it happen, see?
Shared intelligence.
I'd settle for anything.
McGee, turn over the rock on this guy. Company records, IRS, bank details.
I'll check the Homeland Security file. What am I looking for?
You'll know it when you see it.
How is it?
They've done testing. Leo mixed up with him? McGee? Who is he?
That's right.
Whatever he's done, good or bad, he's still my boy.
Not no second time.
It's not why I'm here.
That's everything. Apart from his clothing and his car, we're just checking his footprints.
Sent one to his mother. Her religion. And mine. War. Peace. Can you release these? I need one more thing, Brody. A witness. That's okay.
Blurry figures.
You got something?
I do. And you're not gonna like it. The print on the left, it was lifted from inside Liam's car. The print on the right is a match from our database. French was in the car, Gibbs.
Fiona must risk her life for the CIA, and with only 2 episodes left this summer,
You go in now, Fiona dies.
critics call this season the most explosive yet. Burn Notice, all new episodes tonight at 9 on USA. Become a fan at facebook.com/Burn Notice. Welcome to the USA Character Gallery, presented by Transitions Adaptive Lenses. Now on view, Jeremy Renner. Before he was an award-winning actor, many as his friends call him, made ends meet as a makeup artist. That's when he wasn't restoring old homes or singing. Now he's the star of The Bourne Legacy and a United Nations Goodwill Peace Ambassador.
That's amazing.
That's some serious multitasking. Jeremy Renner, USA Characters Welcome, presented by Transitions Adaptive Lenses.
Abracadabra. Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds in pieces. Your favorites in pieces. Stir it, stir it, stir it up, stir it, stir it, stir it up, stir it, stir it, stir it,
Hershey's chocolate syrup. Stir up the smile.
This is Shelby, whose long day setting up the news starts with arthritis, pain, and a choice. Take Tylenol or take Aleve, the #1 recommended pain reliever by orthopedic doctors. Just 2 Aleve will keep pain away all day. Back to the news.
Hi, Charlie. Ooh, I like your boots.
They're not boots. They're my cats.
Temptations treats. Once you shake them, you can't shake them.
Put a fresh spin on a Subway favorite with the featured $5 footlong of August. Black Forest ham, egg, and cheese, now with spinach. The super good superfood. Available all day, this August only. It joins our many $5 footlongs. Subway, eat fresh. There's surprising news about whole grain. Now, all General Mills Big G Kit cereals have more whole grain than any other ingredient. In cereals like Lucky Charms and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The delicious way to help them grow up strong. Can your pancake mix do this? Sure, Bisquick makes delicious pancakes. But that's just the start. Unleash the hidden power of Bisquick. See what you can make at Bisquick.com.
What's with you?
Trouble with a car insurance claim.
Switch to Allstate. Their claim service is so good, now it's guaranteed.
So I can trust them. Unlike Randy.
Are you in good hands?
Everybody wants to be The Aristocats. Own it on Blu-ray August 21st. Also share these Disney classics with your family.
In a world where breakfast has become boring and tasteless, only one man can save the day.
Delicious.
Kellogg's Crunchy Nuts. It's super delicious.
Let the party go on!
Party City's annual store-wide clearance event is going on now. Clearance items starting.
You won't like me. You put me on fucking internet. You won't like me.